Thanks for joining the call.
Okay.
Um, Please open the activity guide and go through the topics in it and
Okay.
walk me through.
Okay, I
Over
will
to you,
share.
Pavan.
Okay, roll I will share. Here the activity 4 is setting up approvals and promote, approve and lock approvals in it. This topic. Okay, I will go to the activity guide. Here the manage approvals in the practice we will be configuring the configuring the entities required to set up the approvals and assumption the you have the complete the lab instruction steps and tasks sign in EPM default cloud admin with the password EPDMOS and then go to the manage approvals assignment unit enable approvals and you to current following practice created the environment approve one user is not there, then to create an approved user click on tools and access control homepage and access control under the manage users tab. Okay, we'll go to the navigation. Here the under after login the home page is appear here and go to the navigator. Here the tool clusters are there. Here the tool clusters access control card there. Click on access control card. Here the manage groups, manage users, application, assign application roles and role assignment report, user login report and the user group report and manage team and task manager users tabs and click on the manage users. Click on manage users and go to the activity guide. Here the manage users, you under the user login column check the approve one is present. If present skip and step 2 create a button and values follows the username is approver one and the password is welcome one and first name is approve one and email address is approver at the discord.oracle.com. Okay, I will go to the navigation. Here the already taken the approve one. Okay, I will take the approve to. Here the how to create the user in access control. Here the I will give the name. Give the name is approver username approver 2 and password is welcome and confirm password is also I given the welcome and first name. Here the first name is approve one. Here I take the first name is approve 2 approve approve 2 and last name. Here the no mention. Here the okay I will give to approve and the last name is given to 2 and email address is approve at the rate gmail.com and then here the member of. Here go to the activity in the member of selection under the available groups click search and add group user and viewer. Make sure the application accessible all users to home page. Okay, we go to the here to member of. Here the available groups are there and search. Click on search button. Here the group name description. Here to groups are displayed. Here to I assign the manage administrator and power user role. I will assign the groups and then click on save and click on OK. Here the confirm password is wrong. I will again enter. Click on save. Is approver user approver 2 has been saved successfully. Click on OK. Here to approve is applied. Here I created the approve, and here the actions there. Here the actions. Here to click on edit or delete options are there. Here to choose any edit, any adjustments or any give the password, change the password under the change the member of user groups, and here to edit and click on edit and go through the manage and go to the activity guide, and here the home okay, make sure application accessible to all users in the home page. Click on application and settings and enable use of the application for select all users. Click on save. Okay, I will go to the application. Here the under the home screen, go to the home screen. Here the application clusters are there. Here the application cluster overview console cards are there displayed, and here the settings card. Click on settings card. Here the settings card. Go to the application. Here the enable use of application for select all users and click on save. Okay, click on all users. Here the approvals are there and the number of formatting came down. This here other options and number formatting and alias settings are there. Alias settings, alias table and display number labels here they appear here, and page indication at in the zero level members and items are displayed 100, and other options are and system settings and the email characters and number formatting and appear here, and here the enable the use of the application in administrator, and here the all users are there, and click on all users and click on save. Application setting has been saved, and then after go to the activity guide, and then the activity guide in third point navigator. Click on navigator tools variables and make sure the correct values are set to users variables and pm here and yes, and they should have values. Okay, we'll go to the navigator and go to the home page. Click on home page and click on navigator. Here the tools clusters are there under the variables. Click on variables, and here the user variable, and here the already created the year variable, and here the pm year and the FY14 to FY25 of appear, and click on save. I have saved successfully, and then after go to the go ahead to some member selectors and click on OK, and here the login of the admin EPM demos and user set the user preferences and click on store user preferences and use the values to set the follows. Okay, I will set the user preferences, and here the go to the navigator and enter the tools cluster. Here the user preferences. In the user preferences, here the user preferences are appear. Here the user preferences general display notification and option user variables. Here appear here. Here the click on user variables, and user variables here to a member of selection is FY16, and here the go to the next page in activity, and here the note the change of PM year to FY21. Once you have to ensure that the values are correctly, click save. Okay, go to the navigation. Here the member, click change the member FY16 to the FY21 and click on FY21. I will set and click on OK and click on save, and the user preferences have been set. User preference has been saved here, and then go to the next and click on navigator manage approvals under the workflow. Under the scenario is actual and FY20 years is FY21 and period to join, and click on go and view the button from the drop down to review, and then you explain the approval process. Okay, okay, I will before I will go to the language tasks in language, how to have to create the approvals unit, how to manage, and then go to the manage approvals. Okay, first of all go to the manage approvals and log in the EPM cloud, and then the for home click on home page and navigator workflow and click on created button and click on create approval unit hierarchy. Okay, we'll go to the home page and go to the navigator. In the here under the workflow cluster is there, under the cluster, workflow cluster, here the approval unit there. Click on approval unit. Here the approval unit, here the plus icon, I can add it the approval unit, and hierarchy name I will give. The hierarchy name is sample 1, and the approval unit, here the description is there. Create a new approval process. I will give the description, and here the name of the approvals is here to none all custom. Here to click the custom, you have to enter the length, and here the I and here the none I give the I given the none, and here to approval template is the consolidation and bottom up, and click the bottom up. I choose the bottom up, and then go to the next button, click on next, and then go to the here uh, here the click button hierarchy page, and approval dimension is applied, hierarchy name is here appear, and then enable the none, and I take the approval template is consolidation bottom up. I taken here early, and click on primary and subsidiary and primary sub hierarchy selection, and select the members, include the approval process, the select display field and all entities, and expand this, and assigned, and after that they assign the owners. Okay, I will go to the application. Here the primary sub hierarchy selection, here the all entities are appear. Here they click on expand the entity. In expand entity, under the total geography, here to expand, and here under the total geography, here to segments and CE, and expand the CE, and click on CE. I will select LE01, LE02, LE03, and then go to next. One once I will go to next, here to approve unit, what you have to select, the here to approval units, here to display, here to entity, and here to I selected the CE is a parent, and LE01, LE02 is LE03 is a children one, and have to go to the assign owners, and here to entity I give the entity, and here the CE. Okay, I will assign for owners and CE. I will assign for NSE, and I will give to the admin cloud admin. Click on add and click on OK. And here to I will give the reviewer, and here to I give the reviewer approve to click on OK. And here to once I have to enter the C is a parent and whole LD01, LD02 children are to appear the assign the owner, and reviewer also have be assigned here, and click on save. The approval has unit has been hierarchy has been saved. Click on OK, and then click on OK. The approval unit has been saved here. The sample one I created that here the created has been saved here, and click on activity, and this is I click on OK, and approval unit has been displayed here, and then after go to the navigation workflow, approval unit assignment. In approval unit assignment page, you have to assign the approval unit hierarchy to specific scenario and period, and only scenario has the approval enabled to the metadata available selector. Have to select the approval unit 01, and have to hierarchy created earlier in the practice, and the selection select action in this row provided the scenario actual year FY21 and period is January. Okay, we'll go to the navigation and go to the home page, and go to the navigator. Here the workflow, manage approvals, approval unit assignment. Here approval assignment card here, and go to the approval unit assignment. Click on assignment. Here the earlier I created the approval unit sample one has been displayed here. Here to click the um, here to click the actions, and here to select the scenario, scenario is actual, click on OK. And yes, is FY21, click on OK. And the period is January, click on January, click on OK. Have to set the scenario years period in the approval unit assignment. Here to click the save. Approval unit assignment for the approval unit hierarchy has been saved successfully. Click on OK, and then after go to the activity, and activity the complete has been practice is approval is completed, and then go to the practice promote, approve and lock your approval units. And then promote you will have to do the approval process, promote, approve, lock approval units in this task. We have to go the login of EPM cloud, and have to for after completion of the practice one for the scenario year and period, we will the same values have the define the previous practice. Okay, click on navigator and click on manage approvals and workflow, and selected the POV is scenario actual year 20 FY21 and period Jan. Okay, I will go to the application. Here the go to the navigator under the workflow. Here the manage approvals are there. Click on manage approvals. Here the manage approval scenario year period will appear. Here have to select the actual scenario, and here see selected the FY21, and also selected the period is Jan, and then go. And here the process state is appear here. Here the chart type is pipe and group by here, and then here the view button. Here the drop down. Under the drop down here to four status are appear here: the process state and level state and group state and three view. And then go to the activity guide. Here to here they click the view process, and select the tree view, and then expand the approval unit hierarchy and approval unit. Okay, I will go to the navigation. Here the tree view. Here the tree view approval unit has been displayed when I created the approval unit. Here to appear here the sample one is appear here. I will expand here the CE. I selected the approval unit CE, and click on I expanded. Is total have been excluded, and here I started the CE is started. Approval unit has been started. Click on OK. Here the approval unit status is under review, and the current owner is EPM default cloud, and location is CE. Okay, we'll go to the navigator and go to the next page under the and click on OK under review. Okay, and here to top right of the page and click on view button and select the process state, and here the select the under review approval unit. Click on actions to change the status. We'll go to the navigation. Here the process state. Here click on process state. Here the process state. Under the actions, here the under the action have to select CE. Here to change the status, it appear the change status. Selection the status. Here to delete to select action and select the next owner. Here the delegate, promote, approve, originate, sign off, and take ownership. I will give to the approve here, and then go to the here to next owner. I have to give the approve unit. I give the approve unit. Click on OK, and click on change, and the change the status is submitted, and here to substatus is processing, and here to refresh is there. Click on refresh. You have to still processing the under review, and here the and after go to the here change status, and click on OK approval, and approval unit have to approve one and password, and then navigator have to navigator advanced, and here click on approvals and monthly close, and here to select the items and apply, and action change status and approve change status is done. And then the okay, I will go to the navigator. Okay, I will go to the navigator, and the either have to change the status of upload here, and then click on sign out and sign in approver 2. Okay, I will go and here I will give the approve to go to and will come. Click on go. Welcome EPM crowd is login. Yeah, Pro 2 is login. Pro 2 is login successfully. Here to approve here up will appear, and here to go to the navigator, and here the go to first of all here to go to the monthly. You have to navigate the advanced consolidation. You have to navigator is set to advanced consolidation. Click on approvals and monthly close, and you have to filter the POV and click on apply, and then uh, go to the application. Here to manage approvals. Manage approvals. Here to select the scenario is actual, and yes is FY21, and this period is selected to jar. Click on go, and then here to approve status is here approved, and then go to the action. You have to change the approve status, and here to change the status. In the status is lock reopen and open single. I have given to the reopen, and then select the owner is default, and then click on OK. Have to status is submitted. Under the review is appear here. I have the reopen, and then click on logout and log in the EPM cloud. Okay, I will go to the admin EPM code default cloud admin EPM DM0S EPM default. EPM cloud is starting now, and here the admin is login, and then go to the activity guide, and then go to the after completion of approvals, and then go to the task manager. Okay, I will go task manager. Next is creating organization units and create teams and terms, and they creating a template and adding the tasks. Okay, we'll go to the activity guide. In the activity guide task manager in practice section, and here to create an organization units here, and practice organization units and assumption to complete the practice one, and by and admin and password appear here, and then after login the application, here to on the home page click on application task manager, under the organization tab. Okay, I will go to the navigation under the and here the home page appear, and go to the navigator. Under the navigator application cluster is there. Here the task manager card. Click on task manager. In task manager is a centralized monitoring process, and task manager have to define, organize, and division of to perform the tasks. Here to here the task manager. Under the task manager, here the come down, and here the organization. Here the organization unit organization tab. Here the organization tab. Click on organization tab. After the prior two tabs are here, and here the organization units and the holiday rules, and go to the activity. Here the activity, you have to create button. Click on holiday rule tab, and then click the create button. You have to new holiday rule I created. Okay, I will go to the navigation. Here to holiday rules are here. In holiday rules, I have to create a holiday rule. Click on plus icon. Here the give to the holiday rule. I will provide the HRI D003, and the name I will give the name and give the activity, and here the enter the value of the name field is HRM001. Go to the navigation, here the HRM002 I will provide, and I will go to the select the year here to not display, and here to select the year here, and the holiday rule here you have to select, and then go to the activity guide. Here the you have to find the holiday rule January and December. You have to January 01 is a New Year holiday and Christmas holiday. You have to select the holiday rule. You have to set the holiday rules, and here to select the January, and here to one, and give the name is New Year, and then add, and here the select the December, set the holiday rule here December, and here the will give the date, and here the holiday name is Christmas. Christmas, and then save, and you have to set the year also 22, and then click on save. Then holiday rule has been saved, and then after go to the organization unit. I had already created the organization unit here, and then here to added the siblings. Here the siblings are there. Here child one, this is one the adding sibling. Here the add sibling for another organization. Here to name is, okay, we will go to the activity guide. Here to activity guide, organization unit, under the existing organization you have to total geography, click on add sibling, and then following values. Here the name is Middle East 001. I will give to the Middle East, name is Middle East 001, and organizational unit ID is, organization unit ID is here the ME001. ME001, and then parent organization is, click on the parent organization. Here the parent organization is new organization, click on OK. Okay, and then description is create a new organization. I will give the name organization, and the time zone is, you have to select the time zone. Here the time zone is, you have to the Middle East coast, and you have to select the, and then properties is workload, and workload under the work days is, you have to Sunday to Tuesday. I will go to the navigation here to set the time zone. Here the Kolkata is appear, here to select, and then rule is holiday rule is given the holiday rule is the 00 in HRID 001. You have to work days to here to work days, click in activity guide. Here to work days and select Sunday to Tuesday. Okay, select is here to Sunday to Tuesday. Sunday to Tuesday, and then click on save. Here the organization unit ID, will provide the organization unit ID. Okay, we'll go to ME001. Click on save. Yeah, Middle East Coast 001 is the created here, and then after go to the activity guide, and then go and mini list here, and then click on save, and then click on here the creating a teams, how to provide and then admit the password, and here to go the home page, navigation tool under the access control, here the access control tab and the manage tab, and then click on new button, and then following fields of a task manager, and go to the application, and go to the application, here to home button, click on home icon, and then go to the navigator, and then navigator here to appear tools cluster in the access control card, here they click on access control card, and at the access control card here the manage teams, and here they click on manage teams, here the plus icon, you have to create a team, and here they will create the team pro 2, and then here to task manager and supplemental data, and have to choose the administrator, and then power user, okay, and then here to click the members and search the members, and here to approve, to here to click the approve to, and then click on add, and then click on ok, and then click on ok, okay, to approve approve team 2, give the name is approve team 2, and click on ok, have to save the, this is the how to create the team process, and then after, create a template in adding tasks, create a template on adding tasks, go to the application, and here they go to the home icon, under the navigator, and at the navigator here the application cluster there, they click on task manager, here the task manager, here the task, here the templates, here the click on templates, here the templates and tasks are will appear here, okay, here to create the, here create a new template, here the click on, okay, after go to the condition, here to set the condition is okay, and then click on plus icon, and here the properties, instructions, viewers and attributes, day labels, embedded templates and roles and histories are there, and here the templates, and click on new button, and here the template for monthly closer 001 name, I will go to the name, template name is template monthly closer 001, the closer 001, and description is creating a template, and then organization unit, it is selected the organization unit, you have to select the new organization, click on ok, and here to days to set the date, here the go to the financial, and then the date, before date 0 date is 10, and after 0 date is 20, at is before date is 10, 0 date is 10, and after 0 date is 20, we will go due to the 20, and then click on, and then go to the next instructions tab, here to give the provide the instructions, and then instructions tab, instructions for monthly closer, I will give to the instructions, instructions, instructions tab for monthly closer, okay, click on next view viewers, click on viewers, and then go to the here, click on ok button to return the template page, and click on task pages, okay, I will go to the template, here to view the viewers, here appear here, and search here, search, and then here to give the approve to, and click on approve to approve one, and give to the approve one. I will give to the approve one. Here to click on OK, click on add, click on OK, and then here to provide the any attributes. Here to attributes, here you to click the add attributes, and here to earlier I will create the attribute. Here the attribute is new attribute, and the type is yes or no, and here to set the value yes, and click on OK, and here the daily labels and embedded rules and history, and click on OK, and then after go to the tasks and create a closer 001, and here I go monthly templates for monthly closer, close, monthly closer close, click on tasks, and here to create a task, and okay, after go to the task, here to select the template, and here the go to the templates, here to close the monthly closer 001, and click on OK, and click on add. Is to take the task name, and the task name you have to provide the task name is review the task 001, and the go to the navigation icon, here to review review task review task 01, and then task id, give the task id is task 001. Okay, I will go to the nation. Here the uh, task id is task 001, and then description is create a new task, and then here the organization unit is new organization, and source is the template month, closer is 001. Here to you have to, this is a task type, you have to choose the task type, which task you have to perform. User can perform the task. You have to give the these task types are give the admin, and here the three types here, the task type, basic type, and parent type, and then financial consolidation post type, and I will give the task is a have to go to the task. I will give the metadata, uh, export the metadata, click on OK, click on OK, here to select it, and then activity, and then here to parameters is appear where parameters are appear, here to no parameters are to define the task. Here then I will give the, here the template instruction is the instruction tab for the monthly closer, and the task instructions are, will give the task instructions, will give the task instruction. Okay, I will give the task instructions for tasks just, and then go to the workflow, and I go to the activity. Here the workflow assignee is admin user, and start to the day 7 ends to day 15, and allow the early start to checkbox is checked, and then go to the here to assignee is admin. Here to start is starts, to start the start date is 7 and end date is 15. Okay, we'll go to the click the, I will give the start date 7 and end date is 15, end date is 15, and then earlier start, and then go to the activity guide, and then check was and the workflow, under the workflow tab, under the approve selection, click on add selection, and then provide select approve screen, and select the user icon, and then select the teams, enter the approve team 001, and click on search, and click on OK. I will go to the application, here to approve, click on approver, here to search, here the approver one is appear, here to click on OK, and then save and close. Have to task has been saved, and task has been saved. Okay, and then they provide the values for other attributes. for following end date 20 day 20 and required action is any approval and go to the navigation and here to review task 001 click on here and then attributes and there here the attributes click on attributes here to select the attributes and then here to new attributes is there and then here to value yes or no click on yes and here to assign the roles click on here to access and here to approve one and then access the to required and then click on ok and click on save and close and then after go to the activity guide and click on next page here the creating how to create a schedules from templates and here the go to the application have to sign in and then go to the home page application cluster task manager and at the task manager click on template tab here to template tab here the template tab do monthly 00 closer one and on the under the template here to create the schedule button okay I will go to the navigation here the go to the templates and at the here the templates here the go to the cancel click on 001 and here to click on schedule and here to schedule parameters and visit tasks and schedule name I will provide the schedule name here the schedule name is monthly schedule 001 okay I will give the schedule name is monthly schedule monthly schedule 01 okay year is I will give to go to the here the year is 00 and the current month is 1 and the zero date is 25th 25 days 25th day of period of chosen above and here the go and here to give the give the 22 and here the period is 20 total one give to the January have to current month one okay and then go to the date go to the date go to the date here to select the period is I will go to the April and then have to zero date is 5 and create a schedule have to create a schedule here the status is pending here the have to processing the companies in the runs background here to manage the jobs and directly here the schedule is created and then click on close and then go to the activity guide is create a schedule and schedule inbox is closed is completed successfully status and next to the status field and then complete the practice and then we go to the template and then go to the manage close process and using task manager okay here to go to the opening schedule and then have to home page application task manager under the left handed schedule tab and click the on the 001 set the status is open and then warning dialog box is appear click on ok and status is here to open and here to go to the our task manager under the schedules here click on schedules here the monthly schedule is 001 is the pending status here to click on gear icon here to set status have to click on here to appear the open close and lock here have to open the monthly 001 schedule here to open here to click on ok here to status is open and click on and then the after the submitting and approving the task within the schedule okay after that go to the application here is submitting and approving task which is scheduled and sign in admin the password EPMDM0S and the on the home page is in navigate to task and then left hand panel have to click the task schedule tabs and then fill the monthly 001 and review task and then workflow driver and submit the task and task is there click on yes and approve team and then go to the go to the application. Here to go to the home icon. At under the tasks, click on tasks. Here the work list are open. Here to the task manager, supplemental data, and the here update, and here to click the schedule tasks. Here to schedule tasks. Here to select the tasks. Here the monthly 00 monthly schedule 001, and click on monthly 00 schedule 001, and okay, here to review the tasks. Here to appear here. Click on review tasks. Here the review task, you have to how to export the data. Here to import CSV, and the CSV have to appear here, and then have to after completion of this task, and here to submit the task, and they have to action says there submit task, about task, and post task, and request to assignment and reference. Here to submit the task is submit the task. You have to task has been submitted, and then okay, and then after go to the uh, and then go to close button. Here to login and log out a log out login and log out the task. Here the will go to the we will give to the approve one, and here to give approve and log in the approving one in a include application. If the task are appear, click on the tasks. Under the task, here to click on the schedules. Here to click on the review task in monthly schedule 001. Here to approve the task or reject the task here, and I will approve the tasks, and then after I have to upload and then close. Okay, okay, once again go to the here, and then after the task is approved, and here to task is completed. Here to display the closed, and then have to close the task. Here to, and then after go to sign out, and then sign in for EPM EPM cloud admin. Here to username to provide the user cloud admin, and here to EPM DEM0S, and click on go. This is the process, and then after here to have to close and lock, and here the go to the consolidation. Here to the task is close and lock the tasks schedule. Here to go to the application. Here to under the application cluster, here the task manager, click on the task manager, and here the schedules here appear here. In schedules, here the open status, and click on the icon here to under the set status. Have to close or locked here. Here to close the task. You have to close and click on S, and click on OK, and then class status is staying is closed, and then after go to the again for have to lock this one. You have to lock this. Have to click on OK. The schedule has been locked. This is the process of how to closing and locking the schedule, and then after go to the setting up supplemental data. Okay, go next after completion of submitting approving the task here, and then creating a supplemental data, and create a data sets collection, create a form templates, and deploying templates. Okay, I will go to the navigation. We'll go to the navigation. Okay, under the here the activity guide, here the setting of the supplemental data, here to creating a data sets and corrections. Here to manage the attributes and supplemental the module. Have the FCC business process. Here to sign in and then password, and then after the creating a data set, here to click the supplemental application data. Here to click on collection tab and click create a new one. Okay, we'll go to the application and then go to the home page. Under the go to the navigator. Here the application cluster is here. Under the application cluster, here the supplemental data card is up here. Click on supplemental data. Here the supplemental data, and then click on collections tab in left here and click on add. Here the name, we will go to the financial here. The name is debit details 001 and description is debit details and default. I will go to the navigator here to debit. Username is debit 00. Give the name is debit 001. Here to create a debit here to collection intervals. With the collection intervals, I take the default and share the among the templates and forms, and then after go to the attributes. Go the attributes and click on here to attributes and then add to attributes from the drop down menu and click on OK, adding the values. Each value attribute here to repeat the step 5. Here the debit ID 001. I will go to the navigation and click on add attribute. Here the add attribute name, I will give the add attribute name. Here the debit ID 001. Debit ID 001, and here to data type is text, and here to select the data type is text and required to check box, and here to data type is text is appear here and require the checkbox. I click on OK, and here to appear the debit ID is created, and then after go to the add attribute once again and click on add attribute. And okay, I will go to the activity guide. Here to debit description text, I will give to the debit description. Debit description here and then text and click on OK. Now the debit description is created here, and then debit date and data type is date, and then required checkbox, and here to go to the add and add attribute, and the name is debit date and here to data type is date here, and required checkbox is the checkbox, and then click on OK, and then OK, and then after go to the add attribute, and then finance and consolidation. Here the debit type is list, and then list of the values is treasury bills and intermediate term note, and I have to go to the here, and the name is debit type. Name is debit type. Here they take the list here to here appear the list values. Click on add, and here to provide the treasury bills, and then add next. Click on OK, and here the treasury bills, and after the intermediate term note, and click on add, and then go, and then savings bonds and other debit. I will give the savings bonds, and click on add and other here to other. Okay, and click on Okay, here to add the debit type, and then after I have to go to the short term yes or no. Okay, I will go to the navigator, click on add short term, name is short term, and data type is yes or no. Yes or no, click on OK, and then add again also add attribute, and here the maturity time is list less than 1 year, 1 to 5 years, over 5 years, others. Okay, you have to provide the list, click on here, maturity time is less than 1 year, less than one year, and year, and then add next, and here to 1 to 5 years, 1 to 5 years, and click on add, and over 5 years and others. Over 5 years, others, and click on OK, and then add another one, here to give the attribute, and the name is debit amount. Here to data type is number, and then select the number, and here they use this thousand separator tick here, and the negative format is 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. Here to take the thousand, use the thousand separator checked, and then a negative number format is 1 to 0, so 1 2 3. I will give the 1 2 3, and then click on OK. Here to the attributes have been added, and then after the click on save, and here to, and then after go to the activity guide, and click on key identifier again is 001 field, and create a new collection. Okay, you have to create here, and then click on save here. Okay, here to debit 001 is created, and then after go to the go to go to the next page. Here to creating a form templates, and then here to go to the application supplemental data, and the left hand panel click the form templates, and the form templates here to click the add new button from the templates, and provide these values for the following fields and properties tab, and the name is debit information from 001, and debit details form, and then the default. Okay, we'll go to the application, and here the uh, under the form templates, here click on form templates, here the debit, here to create, the properties, here the name is debit or debit information 01. Okay, description is create a debit information. Okay, I will go to the correction intervals, and click on the default, and here to any instructions are up here to go to the instructions, and here to um, inform the instructions, create debit debit information instructions, information instructions, and then go to the sections here, sections tab. Under the sections tab, click on plus icon here, the properties, and create a template section here, the properties columns group by mapping here to upgrade here. The name is provide the debit section 1. I will provide name, and the collection collection is debit information here to debit 001. I will give here to rows, and then columns. Go to the columns, and then click on here to columns is and then columns, columns tab, and then go to the next one here, the check the following attributes to be included: debit description, debit type, and debit type, short term, maturity time, and debit amount. Have to following attributes are included here to included included debit description, date type, in here, and then go to the next one after that, and go to the group by tab. In group by tab, here the group by tab, under the column group by debit type field, and included again is debit amount field, again is the checkbox. Debit type, debit amount, debit type, and then the debit it columns here to select the debit amount also. Click here, and then group by, and click on debit amount, and included again is the debit amount field, and click on OK, and then workflow tab, and here to and start this section. Okay, we'll give to the here, and then click on OK. Have to section here, and then go to the workflow tab. Have to select the frequency is a periodic, and schedule form is close date or end date. Have to click the end date, and then set is offset is 001. Here to workflow option, here to prepare post 1, and left here to preparer 1, and approver and integrator 1. Here to go to the users, and have to workflow to assign the workflow, and here to workflow assign workflow. Here to is selected the, and here the LE01, and have to take the LE01, and then go to OK, and preparer 1 here to search, and here to give the approver 1 or demo or user, and have to click on OK, and then approver 1 have to search here the approval 1 have to go to the demo, and click on OK, and then integrator have to integrator select integrator search, and here to view the new user, and click on save and close, and here to go to the application after that, and click on OK, and then templates is completed, and then they are after collecting the supplemental data deploying from the templates. Okay, here to assign the application supplemental data collection actual 21. Here to start date is month and ending date month, and closing date is ending date of the month. I will go to the application. Here the data collections, and here to set the date. Here to give the default year is 021, and here the actual is scenario is actual. Under the January, we will select the January. Okay, in this scenario we will select the January 1st, and the end date is January 31st, and then close date is 31, and then save, and then click on save. And here the period is, have to open the period in data collection period, have to period is open, and then after have to close our locker and alerts here, and click on save. And after save, I have to go to the tab debit information, and 001 in collection tab is uh, debit 001, and here to click on cancel, and here to click on attributes. I have to templates. Here the debit 001. Okay, I'll go to the financial console here, and here the open period save, and then after to display the home icon, click on form template, and then we'll see the list, and then page, and click on the action button, and to wrap corner, and deploy the action. Okay, I will go to the navigation here, the to provide the debit 001 here, and then click on debit 001, and here to save, save is associated from here to attributes, and then here to go for here the form templates. I will go to the form templates here, the under the form templates here, under the form templates here the uh, creation of debit, and here to um, to create, click on here, and here the actions buttons is there, and then go to the deploy, and then have to data collection period, to select the data collection period in year to FY21, and then actual, and click on select to January open period, and click on OK, and have to they have form is debit detail form, and created form, click on here, and have to deploy then, and click on yes to continue to deploy, and then after click on here debit, and click on OK. You have to deploy from the template, result is appear here, and the total here the default is 21, and here is 21, and the period is Jan scenario is actual, and the total form templates is collection 001, form templates period frequency, and form template errors, and deployed from the templates is 001, and click on close. Click on close. After here deploy is successful. After deploy button is completed, and then go to the deploy the uh, and then after deploy result is here, and then go to the data, have to post or submit or the in financial year, have to go to the application, and go to the application, have to uh, first of all I have to go to the navigators under the task. Here click on tasks. Here the work list are appear here. Here the under the supplemental data card, here in the left side tab, and here to select the interval, and here the all, and here the debit information will appear here LE001 with preparer status is with preparer. And then okay, and after I will go to the login and log out the in preparer one is I will approve, give the approve one. I will go to the sign out and log in the approve one, and click on OK. And here the username is given the provide approver one. Here the here approver approver, and then go EPM cloud, and here to open and click on the task under the here to supplemental data collections. Here the debit information is a 0 LE01 with prepare. Here prepare, click on debit information. Here the debit information, here to add add the rows, add the rows, and then here to click on plus a hand, here to add the rows. Debit ID 001, here I provide the debit ID 001, and description is the debit description is new, and debit date is click on to select the debit date is today date, and debit type is treasury bills, and short term S, and the maturity time is others I will give, and debit amount is either I will go to debit amount is 20,000, and then give to the 002, and here the name is a new one, and the date is selected. The date is today date, and here the treasury bills, and the saving the bonds, and here the short term is no, and then maturity is less than 1 year. Here to debit amount is 20,000, and then after have to submit the tasks, supplemental data task. You have to submit it, and you have to total debit amount is summary here to display here, and then close. Here the debit information with the pro level 1 status, and then I will go to the pro level 1 and sign in, sign out here, and then after sign out, and then I will log in the demo is a pro level 1. Here to demo I will give to the demo, go to demo tasks, and then here to supplemental data cards. Here the debit information is with the pro level 1, and click on here debit information, and then here to approve up, here the approve one. After submitted the here to approve, and then close, and here to with integrated status is with integrator is approve one. I will go to the sign out and log in the approve one, and then the have to post it, and here the username is given the approve one, and here the approve one will the approve one go, and then go, and here the task, click on tasks, and here the task, click on supplemental data, and here the debit information is 00 in 1 in 01 with integrator. Here to appear here, and then next, and then okay, and then close. Here the integrator one, and then under the actions here, under the have to set status here, and then the forms have to set status, they have to post, and then set have been post is continue, and then you have to post it, and then have to form result is post, and then have to close. This is the process. Have to close, and the information 001 is closed, and then after go to login, sign out, and after then sign out, and here to username EPM default cloud, and give the EPM DEM0S, login the admin EPM cloud, and then after go to the entering the data forms the following first in FCCS, and then okay, I will go to the okay, I will go to the smart view, and then go to the have to yes, I have to install the have to smart view the and added, and then go to the okay, will go here to another after completion of here to forms and supplemental data have to submit and post and approve after completion, and have to install and configure the smart view, and then go to the here to download the steps and tasks to have to download the have to download pad, and have to download the smart view, and here to here I can here the click on EPM drop down under the downloads here, click on downloads, and here the EPM automate and smart view, and add and here to download the smart view. Okay, and then here to download, and go, and after go to the download option, have to go to uh, after go to the downloads, here to after go to the downloads, here to appear the downloads, and here to the um, in after downloads, earlier I download the smart view, earlier I download the smart view here, here the local task C, and then here to program files, and here the folders, and go to the downloads, here the downloads, here the earlier I download the smart view, here the sp1, and here to smart view, we have to install it, and after install I install here to here the appear the smart view option is there, here to smart view option, here the options are there, and here the options are data options, you have to no data missing suppressor, you have to click the we here any missing data have not appear here in zeros, and here zeros have to take the zeros, any zeros are appear have to not displayed, and then you have to set here, and you have to replacement here to select the in the missing or numeric zeros, and here to selected, and then label is here I have to set, and then here to suppress missing does have to any the suppress missing does have to tick here, and then click on OK, and I have to advanced options formatting and cell styles, you have to cell styles give the Give the colors and extends here to extends any updated here to occur here the extensions and click on OK. This is the smart view, and then here to panel there say shared connections and private connections are appeared here. Here to private connections, shared connection, here to shared connection. Already log in the application EPM cloud. Here the I will log in EPM cloud. Admin. Here to provide the password is uh, EPMTEM0S. Click on OK. EPM EPM0S. Here login here under the login application ready the accounts and the balance sheet here to display here, and then after go to the application and the the API and login and here to smart connector, and then after data hold supplemental data extensions, and then go to the okay go to here to the download the supplemental data collections extensions. Here the downloads here the smart view administrator smart view. Here the smart view extensions close supplemental data management. Here to download. Okay, I will click the download here, and then here to download is downloaded, and then after go already I have to download that, and then I will go to the application here to appear here the in shared in private connections. Click on private connections here to upload and one URL here to the here to SDME is a smart supplemental data collection. Here to click the supplemental data and local host. Click on Praveen, and here two collections are there, and then default have to select the default, and earlier I created the 21 in the debit 001. Here to click and then open. Here the data is appear here. This is the process of smart view supplemental data, and also the close tasks, and here to close tasks uh, here to go to the close task. CM is a close task, and then have to log in EPM default cloud admin. Password is EPM DM0S. Click on OK. Here the server name is SV closer server, and then application. Here the schedules, and here the all schedules and review schedules are appear here. Here to display the name assigned status, here is review administrator pending status with approval. Here to display the close task, and then go to the smart view. Okay, to the smart view, and then here to go to the application and activity guide, and then okay, I will go here to complete the close manager supplemental data tasks, and then have to smart view. Have to extend the smart view and smart view ribbon and panel and private connections are the private connection address bar. Here to URL to admin, and have to log in the smart view, and then after here to close tasks. Here to close tasks is completed here, and I have to expand the work list and display them, and then have to investment details, and then you have to go to the after and have to investment is appear here. I will go to the smart view. Here they selected the smart view, again smart view, and here too appear area Praveen, and the library here to data forms, and then here to data forms, click on data forms, here to data input, click on data input. Yeah, data input is appear here. Anyone have to enter the data, have to enter here to 2000, have to enter, and then have to PVOV selection, have to any adjustment is there, have to go to submit, and then click on OK, and here to any adjustment is there, you have to adjust the data here to here, and then here to any cell actions, comment supporting attachment, any attachment here to attachment is there, and then after go to the activity guide. Go to the activity guide, and then go to the activity guide, and entering and submitting here data. Okay, I will uh, go to the application, and click file, and click on new one, take the new one. Okay, I will go to the smart view, will go to the smart view in a shared connections. Okay, a smart view, here the data forms here there, and we'll go to the geo analysis, and here to enter data, manage data, you have to change here, and then after, have to expand it, expand the 001, expand the form for income state flows and data input and the operating expenses, and then here to after select the open form, and here to FCCS ribbon appears, and then I will go to the okay, I will go to the Excel sheet. I will take one new Excel format. In one Excel format here, under the here to smart view, and then click on panels, here to share connections, login, again login, cloud admin, EPM TEM0S, login, here to APM cloud, under the APM cloud, here the application, under the application library, and here to income state, here to income state dashboard, say status, and appear overrides and translates here to um, in the application, and here to monthly, quarterly, and here to display head, and then the balance sheet, here the balance sheet, cash flow, income state, and here to appear here, and then go to the forms and data input, open the form, and the form here to analyze under the have to analyze the forms, have analyze here, and then keep only zoom in and zoom out, and change the alias, have to change the POV, and you have to sell the actions, selections, you have to any attachments here, you have to attachments, attachments, any sell actions, you have to commits, and then have to any adjust the data, have to data is adjust in 500 1500 here, and then close, and then here to after will go to the smart view again. Okay, here to this is the process how to the enter, and here, and then after I will go to the import and metadata of import, and go here to first of all First of all, have to the this is the process of smart view. Under the smart we have the EPM automate. Here the EPM automate metadata. How to EPM automate data? Once here to EPM automate data, have to download the application. Here the data. Here the under the here the downloads. Here the downloads. Here the IPM automate data downloads one and then close. And earlier after download the data here to um, how that at here to click on OK and then click on and then here to do go to the here the EPM automate there, click on launch EPM automate. I will launch the EPM automate. Here to display the EPM automate and log in the EPM automate. Here the EPM, I give the EPM automate login login EPM default cloud admin and give the password EPM DEM0S yes, and then go copy the URL and then go to the here and here to apply and then click and enter. Login was successfully and then after how to import that one. Okay, I will go to the navigator here to uh, here under the after login successfully here to first of all here to go to the application admin and application here to overview dimension here to import the data and to click the created and then created after here to inbox and the entity import file and specify the import and save the job. Okay, I will save the job and go to the navigator here to go to the application here the under the navigator application cluster and the overview here to dimension is there. Here the dimension here the import one import the metadata here to import I created it here to created here to inbox here I give the entity name is entity dot csv. Okay, and then save the job and here the name is import 3. I will give the name is import 3 and then close. Here the refresh will appear is import I am import 3. Click on close and then after go to the activity get here to login successfully and after and and here to login here to successfully and then go to the next page and here to give the name is upload one automate upload the directory file in the EPM automation and then after upload the file I will go to the prompt EPM here to give the EPM automate file upload file to quotation C directory here and give the labs folders labs and at the labs here the entity dot csv. Click on enter. Here the command line prompt is EPM automate. After that here to most of that here to the and then okay I will go to the once again I have to go to the director, and here to open the files, and here to entity there, and they'll see directory labs, and then after go I will go to the see here, and once again I will log in the application EPM. Will clear the screen, CLS, clear the screen, and then here to once again I will log in PM automate PM automate login PM automate login EPM underscore default underscore cloud underscore admin, and then here to EPM D0s, and then invalid credentials. Okay, I will close, and again have to launch the EPM automate. Here they launch the EPM automate, here they appear here, and then okay, first of all I will go to the activity guide, and once again I refer the activity guide, and here the activity guide EPM automate login EPM default cloud admin EPM demos, and here to enter here. Okay, EPM automate EPM automate login EPM default default cloud underscore admin, and EPM DEM0s UG to enter here. A login successfully, and then after login successfully have to go, and then after login successfully click on next page. Here the EPM automate upload file directory path here to like this, and I will enter EPM automate upload file file C directory, and then here labs, under the labs entity dot csv, here I uploaded successfully, 100% completed, and then after go to the upload, I have to uh, provide the import data. The name is I have to save the import save the job name here to enter, and then go to the here EPM automate import meta data 4 3, then enter. The processing and retrieving the status, here to after completed here to go, and then here to here the import the metadata completed, and metadata import was successfully here, and then jobs have to, and then go to the home page, and application jobs import entity will be completed, and then practice has been completed here, and then okay, I will go to the command prompt. Here to here to appear here 2 seconds, a couple of minutes will appear here. This is the process of the how to upload the file in EPM Automate and how to import the file in EPM Automate command prompt. Can refresh and then open the command prompt. Yeah, is imported metadata is completed successfully and details are appeared here. Metadata import was successfully. After imported successfully in command prompt and go to the application and you have to go to the jobs. Here the import 3 is completed successfully and this is the process of activity 4. That's it, Lovely. Have to I have completed the activity 4. That's it, Lovely. Thank you.
Thank you, Praveen.
Thank you.